Welcome back to Top 5 Gadgets, where you join us for not only a new format, but an episode where we look at one of the best possible torches to come onto Top 5 Gadgets. But what is it? The ThruNite TC15.
So what we have in front of us is the ThruNite TC15 Miniature Tactical Torch.
Do you know what? It's not the first time I've seen these guys.
Oh yeah, ThruNite are the daddies of tactical torches. TC15.
Do you know what I like to do at this point? I like to take it away from you.
Yeah, get it out of the box.
I'll do this bit.
Yeah, that's fine.
Look, and while I do some twirlies to the other cameras,
yeah,
you can talk about it.
Well, lucky enough, I've got some notes written on the back of the box, so we can. Look at it, Pete. Oh yeah, I've put an 18650 in there, which is the type of batteries it takes. 3100 milliamp hour 18650s. There's one inside, so it should work if you want to demonstrate it. But yes, the ThruNite TC15 is a lightweight tactical everyday carry torch or flashlight if you're in America. It has a maximum output of 2531 lumens. That's 2531 lumen. That is in a mode called boost mode. That is pretty crazy. Like I said before, you have an removable 18650 inside battery, 3100 milliamp hours, and on high power, that will give the torch 86 minutes of running time. If you put it on its lowest setting, which is 0.5 lumens, which is barely on at all, you'll get 41 and a half days.
That's crazy.
41 days of power.
This is the lowest setting.
Yes. Oh, look at that. 41 days.
Lowest setting. Look, that's still pretty bright.
That's pretty bright. Incredibly, on high power mode, or max mode, on max mode, the longest throw that this light will give you, 243 meters.
That's impressive.
That's impressive. It is made of an anodized aluminium, so it feels like another well-known brand of torches that the police use. And it's good for campfires too. You have 2 meters of water resistance, a 1.5 meter drop resistance, and it weighs just 71 grams or 2.5 ounces with the battery. So that is super light, super strong, and super powerful. That is a proper everyday carry flashlight.
Do you know what? I think someone's called the police because somebody is shining some light.
It's pretty cool, isn't it, that?
I like that. If you just hold it, look at it kind of going through all the different options there. I'm just holding it down.
Yeah.
One click, turns off. Hold it down.
So you're a big fan of large torches. You prefer bigger Maglite style torches. Obviously that's a competitive brand to this, but how do you see the ThruNite sitting for someone that's really into handheld torch flashlights?
Well, do you know what? I say this a lot about people that are into cameras.
Yeah.
You go on holiday and you take this bulky camera and you get amazing photos. But because it's bulky, you tend to leave it back in the room, don't you? Same goes for torches.
Yeah.
Now, it's all right with a phone, with a camera, because you pull out your phone, you take the picture.
Yes.
The torch, now I'm down to using my mobile phone torch. That's the only other torch that you've got nearby.
No.
It's not enough.
No.
This will illuminate the whole back garden.
Easily.
That's if I'm just camping outside, which, let's face it, sometimes that's as far as I want to go.
The kind of camping Pete does is in his yard.
But for me, I think, do you know what? It's small enough to leave in a glove box in the car.
Yeah.
Put in the side car, in the door card.
It's small enough for a deep pocket.
Do you know, that's the thing. I want to go a bit further with a torch like that.
Yeah.
I want to put it in a harness.
You want to clip it on your belt.
Wait. Air traffic control problems.
Okay, yeah.
Did you hear that?
They saw the flashlight.
That was close. I'm worried about putting this torch on too much.
Yeah. What else do you get in the box?
Well, do you know? This is what I wanted to cover, AJ.
Okay. Well, maybe show it on the camera rather than just yourself.
Okay, here.
Yeah.
You know, I said I want to have something a little bit more.
Oh, hello. Belt clip.
Now, how cool do I look?
Yes.
Strap that one on your hip.
Yeah. That is... Do you know, though, that you were just saying about bulky flashlights, you won't take them with you because they're too big. This ensures that you do take the ThruNite with you.
Just makes it so easy.
Makes it so easy. In all reality, I'd strap that on the side of my bag, my backpack, rucksack.
Then you've always got it.
Always got it there. That's
there's
really cool.
There's a little lanyard in the bag. Whoa,
Everyone likes a lanyard.
Little lanyard to strap it up with.
Yeah.
There's a few little washers for strapping around.
Yes. Okay.
Torch. That's going to save it from bumps.
Waterproofing.
And then you've got, and this is a classic, the little pocket attachment
nice.
clip. So
there you go.
Just kind of like slide it in.
Slide it into your pocket clip.
That's nice. And
that's really cool.
let me see if I'm putting it in the right place.
That's
here.
it. Give it a bit of force.
Oh,
there we go.
Now, there you go. Job done. That looks cool.
That is
so. Yeah, it's got everything that you need.
super cool.
You did say it's an external 18650 battery.
Yes.
There's a USB to micro USB.
Yeah, so you can charge it through the device.
Comes with it. If you've got a battery tray, then you can charge it externally.
Yeah, of course.
If you want to.
Yeah, it'll unscreen, take the battery out, and charge it that way. But for convenience, you of course can charge through the device.
That's the sort of gadget I like to see.
Well, you say that about everything we get.
Do you know? I've never stopped with this.
I know.
Ever since we started this journey of finding
the top 5 gadgets,
the ultimate top 5 gadgets, the goal.
Yes.
Feels like it can never be accomplished.
No.
To find the ultimate. And, in that pursuit, AJ, we keep coming across, you go, well, that should be in our top 5.
It should be. But what's it going to relegate? The M-Gear gadget wallet?
And this is the problem, isn't it? So the list is one that we have to keep pursuing.
So that about wraps up our look at the ThruNite TC15 and what an epic everyday carry miniature tactical torch that is.
But it doesn't come with sound effects.
No, sound effects aren't included. Hopefully you've enjoyed this new format of video here on Top 5 Gadgets, and if you're listening on podcast, well then, thanks for joining us. If you would like Pete to stop doing sound effects to torches, make sure you let us know down below in the comments. Of course, you can join us as a subscriber. Yes. And if you really didn't like this new format of videos, then let us know by hitting the thumbs up video down below.
Yeah, or the thumbs up button.
Video's fine too.
Yeah. And until the next time, thanks for watching. Bye!